Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Welcome back to day 5 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and we've got an incredibly cool Drone Valley prize for you today. But before I get to that, Santa and Mrs. Claus were at home on the night before Christmas, sitting in front of a roaring fire. And Santa's always worried about the weather, and he was thinking, boy, the weather outside looks frightful, but this fire is just so delightful. So he turns to Mrs. Claus and he says, honey, go check the weather so I can get ready for our big day tomorrow. So she gets up from her chair, she starts to walk over to the window, and you can see a smile forming on her face as she pulls back the curtain and looks outside, and then turns back to Santa and says, well, it looks like rain, dear. And they both laugh. On the 5th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a charging kit. Not just any charging kit. It's a Drone Valley charging kit. This was designed by the Drone Valley crew, and inside this pouch, which is kind of a cool pouch, is everything you'll need to charge pretty much anything that runs on electrons. Now, I'm going to show you everything you get as part of the kit, because man, we love these chargers. All right, so the first one is a 65-watt home charger, Drone Valley product, a 95-watt car charger, Drone Valley product, and a whole lot of other stuff. But let me talk about the chargers first. So the home charger, it's got prongs that disappear so you can put it in your bag. It's not going to get snagged on things. And it's a triple charger. So it's got a 65-watt USB-C PD port that, again, anything that needs that extra current, like a portable gaming console, a large tablet, a big phone. If you've got drone batteries, Mavic 3 batteries can charge off this. Avata batteries can charge off this. So it's incredibly good for charging things at home, but it doesn't stop there. There's another USB-C port and a USB-A port, so you can charge a lot of stuff at home with that charger. If you're in your car, you've got a 3-port car charger. Again, a 65-watt USB-C that's PD. You can charge all kinds of thirsty devices, a full-sized USB-A and another USB-C. So kind of the same, but one's for home and one's for the car. It doesn't stop there. Inside the bag is a really nice heavy-duty USB-C to USB-C cable. So you can plug it into the charger, plug the other end into anything that charges over USB-C, and it's a heavy-duty cable, so it can handle a 65 watts. But there's more. I feel like I'm on an infomercial. Inside that pouch are adapters, because you're thinking, Rick, I don't really have anything that charges off a USB-C. Well, where you been for the last 10 years? Because everything charges off USB-C. But okay, if you've got some old equipment that charges off a micro USB, just pop this on the end of the cable, plug it into the charger, and you can charge that device. What if you're an Apple fan? I like Apple. Here's an Apple adapter. You plug that on the end of the cable like this, boink, it's on there, plug it into the charger, charge your Apple devices. If you've got your own cables that are USB-A, you can plug them in here, but you got 2 more ports that are USB-C. We even include an adapter for that, so you could plug the USB-A cable in here and plug this USB-C into the charger. So we're giving you an entire electrical plumbing kit that allows you to connect up anything you need to the chargers and fully charge those devices. We are incredibly proud of these products. We worked a long time to put these together, and they're, in my opinion, the perfect home charger, the perfect car charger for all of your charging needs. Now here's the best part. As if this wasn't enough already, we're giving away 2 of these kits, so there's going to be 2 winners this week. And again, the contest could not be simpler to enter. If you go down below in the comments, you'll find a link. Click that link. A form will pop up like magic. And in that form, you'll have to put your email and your YouTube username. And you're wondering, why do you need all that stuff? I'm a little suspicious. Don't be suspicious. We're not going to keep any of that stuff, but I need a way to get a hold of you if you win the contest. So enter the contest. After 7 days, we put on the blindfold, we get in there, we pull 2 names out, and I send you an email. Now, please check your email. Don't let those things go to the spam folder, because I can't keep sending you emails. But anyway, we're going to send you an email saying, hey, good news, you won this amazing charging kit. Send us your address. We're going to put this thing in a box. We're going to ship it to you. Again, no shipping charges, no shenanigans, no strings attached. We just want to give this away. You're going to open up the box. You're going to find all the charging gear, and you're just going to love this technology, and you're going to be really happy, which is what we're trying to do. Now, again, I say this every time. You can't make a mistake with this. Anywhere in the world you live, we can ship it to you. And I don't care if you're in, I don't know, let's say Bees, wait a minute, I had a place, I forgot the name of it. Hold on, I gotta pull this up. Okay, let me go with this one. Lick, Kentucky. I tried to remember it, I just couldn't because I was laughing so hard when I wrote that down. I'm not laughing at the town. I'm sure it's a beautiful town. And now that I've said that, I'm going to have to go to Lick, Kentucky to see what it looks like and fly a drone there. But I looked into it a little bit because anytime I hear about a town named Lick, Kentucky, I got to wonder what's going on down there. Licking bees? Like, well, how did you get that name? Well, it turns out that there's a stream nearby that for some reason, probably the flora or the fauna, I always get those two mixed up, the bees love it. There must be really sweet flowers down there or whatever, but there's a ton of bees on that river. And that's how it got its name. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, Lick, Kentucky. Great town. I'm sure it's beautiful, and I apologize for picking on it. I picked on New Jersey yesterday or the day before, so I'm giving everybody the same grief. Anyway, you could live anywhere in the world. That's my point, and we'll ship it to you, no charge. Could be out of the country. I don't care. You could be somewhere else in Europe, Asia, wherever you happen to be. We'll find a way to get this to you. So enter the contest. It's a really cool prize, and forget if you don't fly drones. It's no big deal. You can use this to charge your phone, your tablets, all the other things that need to be charged. These guys work really well to do that. And again, we put it together. We use them. We love them. A lot of people like them, so you're going to like them as well. That's pretty much it for today. Now, here's the thing. I'm getting a little tired because we're already 5 days in. I've got 7 more of these coming, and we got a lot of cool stuff coming. I can't even begin to tell you all the cool things that are in that prize closet over there. We're going to start pulling out over the next 7 days. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button down there because you're not going to want to miss it. Because if you miss it and we give away a prize and you go, oh, those Drone Valley guys gave away, I can't say it, something really cool and I didn't enter the contest, that's on you because I'm trying to get you to enter. So enter the contest because for me, it's Christmas time. And I love Christmas time. I love giving stuff back to the community. You guys have been incredibly supportive all year. And we just want to show our appreciation for all the support you've shown us all year by giving a bunch of stuff away. This is just one example. So make sure you enter the contest. And until tomorrow, I promise I'm going to bed early tonight, so I got plenty of energy for the next 7 clips. And until tomorrow, thanks again for watching. And as always, happy flying.